Hello student, today topic is property of transition elements. First one is atomic radii. The atomic radii of elements of particular series decrease with increase in atomic number. But this decrease in atomic radii becomes smaller after midway. For given table, in the scandium to zinc, when the shown by table, the atomic radii gradually decrease from scandium to chromium. From chromium to copper, it remains practically constant. This is due to the when scandium to chromium, the nuclear charge increases, and chromium to copper, the nuclear charge and the screening effect is equal. Explanation: this is decrease in atomic radius because with decrease in atomic number, nuclear charge goes on increasing along period. In midway, the radius remains almost unchanged after chromium because screening effect increases with increase in d electron in subshells, which balance the nuclear charge. Therefore, in midway atomic radius is remain unchanged, but at the end of the series the atomic radius of atom increases due to at the end of the series the electron in d subshell is more, and therefore the screening effect is more of the electron, therefore the size of atom increases, and this was size of atom increases, therefore the zinc and mercury and cadmium have a larger size. And next is ionic radii. Ionic radii follow same trend as atomic radii. Therefore, the ionic radii decrease with increase in oxidation state. For a same oxidation state, ionic radii generally decrease with increase in nuclear charge. Please like, share, subscribe.